Welcome to the beach!
There's so much to explore and make. Let's go!
Where should we go first?
Treasure hunt! Let's go on a treasure hunt! Drag to dig for hidden treasure. Wow! Tap the seagull to move it out of the way. Can you find any treasures? Cool! More treasure! Got one! So cool! Look at the treasures we found! We can use these treasures to make a sandcastle or a tide pool.
Sandcastle Creator! Let's make sandcastles! Tap the bucket to choose a shape. Tap a circle to start. Choose a shape. Drag or tap and hold to fill up your bucket. Tap to change your sand color. Tap the check mark when you're done. Beautiful! Now you can drag your sandcastle shape to the beach or make more shapes. Fill the bucket with colorific sand. How big will you make your sandcastle? Beach-tastic! Ooh, a new treasure! You can unlock more decorations in the treasure hunt game. Pick a magical sandcastle colors!